Hi, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make some chicken cheesy enchiladas for you. First thing we're going to do is turn the oven on to preheat at 350. Make sure nothing's in there. Nothing's in there. So the second thing you're going to do is going to start to cook your chicken. Your chicken, get like a one big 2-pound chicken breast or a couple 1-pound chicken breasts. The best way to do it is to dice it up either with kitchen shears or a knife, and then just saute it here, easily, like letting it golden brown. Put a little pepper or whatever spices you like on it, and let that cook. Part two, while that's going, is we're gonna start a sauce. So we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of butter to a pan. We're gonna marinate up some onions and garlic first for our mixture. So get that going, turn your stove up. I'll let that butter melt here for a second. And this is one of my mom's recipes. It's amazing, you're gonna love it. Okay, so get that going. Then as we come over here, we're just going to put in, this is 1 clove of garlic that's been minced up. You can mince it up yourself, or you can use 2 tablespoons from an already minced packet. So let's pour that in there. Get the stove up to like a medium to a medium high, because you're going to want to get this like all brown and golden. Then we're going to add some chopped onion. I recommend white onion, and we're going to do about a 1/2 cup of that. Pour that in, and let that saute. While you're letting that saute, you want it to get like good and golden brown. Just give a peek over here to your chicken. Looks really nice, still bubbling up. Really great, looks great, guys. Okay. Now, as this is sauteing up a storm, the next things you're going to want to get ready is your cheese and sour cream and cream of chicken soup. So we'll let this golden up. Now, this can make, you can make as big a portion or as little as a portion you want. Ours is going to feed about 3 to 4 people, depending on how big and tall they are. But you can double the recipe for a family or lessen it just for a romantic party of 2. Alright. Now you want these onions to get nice and soft. It takes a couple minutes. Once you hear them popping, you're going to add 1 can of Campbell's cream of chicken soup. Yeah, nice and get it all in there. Stir that around. And once you get that all kind of like melted in there, nice and gooey-like, I add like a little black pepper. Peppercorns are the best, so you can grind them to your liking. Again, let this soup kind of cook a little bit, just take a couple minutes. Until it starts to get like a little thin. Still keeping an eye on our chicken, it looks kind of great. Let's just give it a little twist. Yeah. Okay, the chicken soup's a bubbling. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of sour cream and put that in the mixture. This is what's gonna go inside the enchilada. This is all the good stuff. Now let this cook a little bit. Yeah, you see how like nice and creamy it's getting. Alright, now we're going to scoop out about 3/4 cup of it into the side because we're going to put this on top of the enchiladas at the end. So just scoop a little bit of this out. Great. Now we're going to add our chicken in. Let's turn this off. Add the chicken into the mixture. Great. We're going to also add like half of the cheese packet. So you just get any sort of blended cheese, shredded, whatever you like. If you like cheddar or mozzarella. I got a Mexican blend because I like mine like a little spicy. Also some variations on this is you can add jalapeno peppers, diced up, or chilies. It makes it really, really great. Okay, so I took half of that shredded cheese packet, and this is 1.5 cups. So half of that in here in your mixture. Perfect. Now we're going to use like a 12-by-8 pan, and you get about 8 flour tortillas of burrito size. And we're just going to put the mixture in these and kind of fold them up like little burritos. So I'll actually set these here, and then as we fold them up, we'll put them in the pan. Let's turn this off. Should be good to go. And here's number 1. Make sure you get like a load of that, like chicken and cheese. Yeah. Alright, and then we're gonna fold the ends and then fold the one side over and then roll it. Put it in the pan like that, seam side down as much as possible. There's 1. Whoop. Sometimes it gets away from you. And here's 2. Again, fold, 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 and roll. Perfect. I'm just gonna, put this back in, reuse it here on this guy. Flip it over. I think this is just gonna make 4 for us today. Perfect. Again, I'm gonna bring this closer so you can see the burrito wrapping technique, which is not even that hard. 2 ends, roll it over, kind of like push everything on the inside, and then roll it so the seam's underneath. And here's the last one. It's gonna be so good. Perfect. Fold, 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 and roll. Now we have that extra sauce. We're gonna just pour this over the top of each one. Get that all out. So we have a little sauce on top. Great. And then we're going to finish with our Mexican blend cheese. The other half of that bag is going to go all over the top of this. And there we go. Now we just stick it in the oven. Bam. Wait for it to cook. We'll see you